Let me ask you something. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how long would you be okay financially? Tough question, right? I'm going to tell you about the 5 most powerful money mindsets. And I'm not going to take 15 or 20 minutes to do it. So I won't take up much of your time, because it's simple, they just don't want you to know it. And I'll count them down from 5 to 1, because the most important one is at the end. 5. Maximize what you already have. Most of us think we need more money, but often, we're not using what we already have efficiently. Are you using your full job benefits? Employer retirement matches, tax deductions. Skill-based freelance work. Sometimes the biggest difference comes from being smart with what's already in your hands. 4. Don't rely on just one income stream. Think about this. If your only income source stops, everything stops. That's risky. Creating a second income stream isn't just extra money, it's security. It could be digital products, tutoring, online services, or investing in dividend stocks. What's one skill you could turn into income starting this week? 3. Make your money work while you sleep. If you're only earning active income, you'll always trade time for money. But your money can work for you while you sleep. Investing, high-yield savings, or building digital assets creates passive income. Start small, stay consistent. Compound interest is more powerful than most people realize. Your money can either rest or hustle. Which one's happening right now? 2. Expect the unexpected, always be ready. Emergencies are not if, they're when. That's why having an emergency fund isn't optional, it's essential. Start with $500, build up to 3 months of expenses. It's your peace of mind fund, not for shopping, not for vacations, just for life surprises. If your car broke down tomorrow, are you ready? 1. Save before you spend. Always. This was the biggest shift for me. Poor money habits say, I'll save what's left. Wealthy habits say, I'll save first, then spend. Set up an auto transfer, make it invisible. Let your savings grow while you live your life. Even $100 a month becomes $1,200 a year before you even feel it. Pay yourself first, always. These 5 mindset shifts turn stress into strategy for me. Which one hit home the most for you? Leave a comment, share with a friend who needs this, and don't forget to follow for more money tools that actually work. Because financial freedom doesn't start with luck, it starts with how you think.